major opposition Communist Party of India Marxists have demanded for 3 months free ration and financial support for all non-income tax pay families. Addressing a press conference at CPIM headquarters in Agartala 30th April, Thursday, CPIM State Secretary Gautam Das highlighting their demands placed in all-party meeting convened by Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb on Wednesday last. Gautam Das said lockdown is mandatory for preventions from coronavirus, but due to lockdown, the poor people are facing myriad problem. Their condition is worsening day by day, he said. CPIM urges the state government to provide free ration for 3 months and monthly financial support of citizens of the state, those out of the non-income tax slab section.
A 3 months ration kit, free ration kit, shall be given to all non-income tax pay family. We have proposed that per head 7 kg rice per month shall be given, and then apart from rice, dal, potato, onion, mustard oil, spices shall be supplied for 3 months, and plus rupees 7,500 shall be given to each of the family.
Das urges the state government also to support the farmers of the state who are beyond the barbed wire fencing of the Indo-Bangla borders. He also demanded for free distribution of seeds, fertilizer to the farmers of the state who are in the distress during the month-long lockdown. CPIM demanded for opening of all OPDs phase-wise besides intensive COVID-19 testing for people. Das said that his party has demanded for protections equipment of all health workers of the state to protect the frontline warriors from COVID-19. CPIM also alleges that during the distribution of free rations and other relief items by their party workers in different parts of the state, the party workers were attacked in 14 places.
There are reports that CPIM workers and sympathizers, those who are conducting relief operation, they are being prevented by the ruling party. There are cases of physical torture also. So this is totally unbecoming. So we urge upon the government and the police administration to intervene in this matter. And because it is the time of oneness, all political party, government, so we are fighting against COVID-19. So there should not be any such disturbing thing.
All the incident of attack on party workers during relief distribution program were also informed to the police, but till now no actions were taken so far, Das alleged. Bureau Report.